Lesson 8, Session 2, page 169. We are learning how to subtract, to compare in word problems. So we are going to look for two different things in our word problems, and we're going to compare to see which one is more and which one is less. Let's follow along. Put your finger under the word there, and we're going to read together. Here we go. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? How many children do not get a hat? Okay, I'm going to read it again, and you're going to follow along with your finger. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? So this is what we need to figure out. Are there more hats or are there more children? How many children do not get a hat? Well, how are we going to figure this out? We need to find the difference between the hats and the children. Okay, go ahead and draw a picture of what you think this is going to be. You may press pause, and when your picture is done, I want you to look back and watch the video and make sure you have what I have on your paper. If you have something different, that is wonderful, but you can also add what we have here. So go ahead and draw your picture. There are 6 children. There are 4 hats. Are there more hats or children? Draw your picture. Okay, so there are 6 children. Let's draw 6 children. Okay, and these are my kids, right? And there are 4 hats. There are 4 hats. Okay? So I need to draw a picture of that. So I'm going to compare them. Here I have 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my children, right? And there are 4 hats. I'm going to make it different. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my children. These are my hats. Let's go back to the question. There are 2 questions we have to figure out. Are there more hats or children? So here I have children, and here I have hats. Okay? So if I'm going to compare this using a bar model, I'll put a box around, and I'm going to draw from the top to the bottom, the top to the bottom, or the child to the hat, the child to the hat, the child. There's no hat here, right? So are there more hats? Do you see more hats? Or do you see more children? Right. There are more children. So if there are more children, are there more hats? No. There are fewer hats, right? There are fewer hats. Now, there's another question. Let's read it together. How many children do not get a hat? Let's see. 1, 2. 2 children, and children is written right here, so you can copy it right from the top. CHILDREN. There are 2 children that do not get a hat.